Welcome again, lesson 11. We're gonna go about drawing loops. Basically, with a draw loop, how it works is the fact that the computer is gonna make it basically continue to go over and over, right? Hence the word loop. So when we have animation, you'll see that most of the time we do animation, unless you're actually like drawing like an anime, that you're gonna work with a draw loop where you have something that continues over and over and over and over again. You'll see exactly what that is in like 2 seconds. So in this draw loop, we have the fact that in our functions, this is our loop, that a ellipse will have a random number from the x and the y. So it'll continue to have random numbers over and over again. So when we run this, you're gonna see the fact that it has just random numbers and it's gonna keep popping up over and over and over and over again. And that's because it's in the loop. So basically the code goes, it just keeps going in the loop until it's not gonna stop. It's not gonna stop unless you give it some type of condition where we'll learn about later on. All right, so in this case, they want you to go ahead and add another code. So to our right of your screen, you will see the fact that we have a green one and they want it looks like orange. So what's the easy way to do it? Just copy it, right? Paste it, and then just change the color to orange, right? Boom. You got it. All right, I'm gonna try to make stuff easy for you all because I understand that copy and pasting is easy. Especially once you understand like what you're doing. Don't be copying and pasting some random stuff, all right, and then blame it on me afterwards. That doesn't work. So in this case, they want us to run the program. We'll learn a little bit about frame rates later on, not today. But we have our background, and in this background, it's gonna be a red, and the red dot's gonna pop up. So boop, 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 boop. Now, one of the things you're gonna ask is, well, why is it that you're not seeing all the dots like before, right? And so the reason why there's a difference is because that it's drawing the background with it. So every time it's drawing this background, it's drawing a new location. So it's constantly, it's not a lag where you have the same frame over, but it's constantly drawing that red background over and over. And we'll see that in our projects moving forward. So in this case, wants to run the code. So obviously we have this guy, he's rotating between -10 and 10. What he wants to do, discuss, change the number. Okay, all right, got you. So in this case, we change this number from where it can rotate. Remember, this is a rotation, so rotation is rotating. So rotating from -10 to 10. So if we did 30, then this is how it look, right? You have a better one. So any number is going to continue to jiggle or rotate, or some of y'all might call that dancing. It's not dancing, though. It might be dancing. I don't know. All right, so in this case, what do they want to happen? The same thing. So let's go ahead and get this done. So we run it. We have our pencil, but our brush is just not having a good day. So let's go ahead and give it a random number as well in its x coordinates. And right now it's at 300. So let's do 300. How do I know it's 300? It's right here, 300. 300 and 310. Then we run it, boom, there you go. That's how simple this is. So one of the cool things about a draw loop and having things move, it looks like it's like doing a lot of stuff, but as a coder, we know it's really that simple. Like it's not hard. All right, it's the last one for us? Yes, that's the last one for us. Obviously, you can do rotation. It's not hard. It's the same thing. Debugging. I mean, it's really pretty simple. Because you only got, like 4 more after that? I can take care of that. I got faith in you. Anyway, thank you for allowing me to serve you. Later days.